day, students. Welcome to another episode of Schoolonair. I'll be your instructor for Basic Science and Technology GSS 3. So this will be the third part of our topic on processing of materials, plastic and rubber. So processing of material, plastic and rubber. So we've been able to discuss about plastic and rubber. So we started with the introduction, which was about the examples of plastic and rubber. We said plastics are divided into two, which are thermosetting and thermoplastic plastics. So we said the advancement in technology of man led to the development and the production of plastic. So because we've been using metal and wood, so scientists developed another material that we called plastic. So we also talked about rubber, and we said rubber is also divided into two: natural rubber and artificial rubber. So we said natural rubber, you can get it from trees like rubber tree, and artificial rubber, it is chemically synthesized newly. So newly synthesized by our scientists. So we also talked about the production processes of rubber and plastic. We talked about the production process of plastic, which we said there are two methods that we can produce plastic. That is a injection mold, whereby you inject the liquid or molten plastic through a plugger into a mold to create our plastic. We gave examples like plastic chairs, plastic table, plastic bucket, plastic bowl, and so on. So we also talked about the other production process of producing plastic, which is calendering. So this calendering is a process of continuously producing sheets of plastic. So you place a plastic on a sheet, and you place a rubber roller, a closed strong roller on it to produce sheets of plastic. So we also talked about the production process of rubber. We said since there are two types of rubber, the natural rubber and the artificial rubber, there are two different ways you can synthesize rubber. The first way is by natural way, which you can get the natural rubber in raw form from the sap from the rubber tree. We said we can get latex. The proper name of the rubber that we get from rubber tree is called latex. So the latex can be gotten from the sap of the rubber tree in raw form. So this is a way of getting natural rubber. So by tapping the rubber, you can get the latex from the rubber tree. And we also said the other type of rubber, which is the artificial rubber, can be gotten due to the innovation of our industrial chemists to artificially synthesize the compounds of the component of the latex that is similar to the one of the tree. So, and we said the way of producing this, or the way of processing this artificial rubber, is similar to the injection mold and the calendering of plastic. So today we are going to be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of rubber and plastic. So today's topic, we'll be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of rubber and plastic. Advantages and disadvantages of rubber and plastic. Advantages of plastic. Number one, it is very light than most metal. It is very light than most metal. That is, it is flexible, very soft than metals that are hard, strong, durable, malleable, and so on. So it is very light, not that heavy as compared to metal. So due to the innovations of scientists, as we said, plastics were developed so that because they are lighter than metals. So that is one of the advantages of plastic. Number two is that it can retain its color for a long period.